Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version. Open HUAWEI AI Life application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then scroll down. At the bottom at the right side we have update. Tap at this button and check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. You can also check for updates again if you want to. And if you haven't latest software version, at the bottom you will see a button download and install. Firstly, put your earbuds to the charging case and then tap at that button. And wait until this update finished. Next step is only for Android devices, so you need to also open HUAWEI AI Life application and tap at your earbuds, of course. So right here you need to scroll down and click at the sound quality. If you use connection quality, you need to swap to sound quality. And if you use sound quality, try to return to connection quality. This one can fix your problem also. Next step is to, also for Android devices, try to go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, and right here we have spatial audio. It's not for all Android phones, you may have it, but if you have, try to disable this mod. Okay, next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone. We can check it in the Bluetooth. As you can see, not connected. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, but it also depends on Android phone. On stock Android, it looks like this. Then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, so it will turn to My Devices on Android, and on iOS you will have this information that is connected. And if software reset also didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to put both your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the right side we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking red. So press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking white, it's okay, don't worry, just keep holding this button, this earbuds enter Shuttering mode. And we have the red LED light, so you can release your finger, and then you need to go to the settings and Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top. If you have this button, because not all Android phones have it, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, you just go back and return to the Bluetooth. But it doesn't work right now for iOS 26. If you have iOS 26, you need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Maybe they will fix this in the future and you can just go back and return, but right now it doesn't work. So, after factory reset, these earbuds enter Shuttering mode automatically, so you don't need to use connectional button, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list here, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!